Hey people, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita and in today's video I'm going to talk about post-delivery sex. Remember, after delivery sex needs some time and effort. In India it is a taboo to talk about sex, let alone postpartum sex. Now there are so many custom, traditions, sayings that recommend to avoid sex till a year or much longer, to an extent they only wanted to avoid immediate pregnancy, and this is recommended because you want the new mother to be completely cured, to be able to take care of another child. You do not want another physical or mental stress. And one must also remember, mother is fertile even while she is breastfeeding, so pregnancy can happen anytime. And the myths I would like to clarify, not to believe, are that husband and wife having sex can make your baby thin, can make the breast milk go bad or bitter, can make the relation go wrong. Some internal changes can happen. And down south there is a custom that husband is not allowed in mother's house for months together. Mother's house in the sense, the new mother often goes to her mother's house for delivery. I'm not sure about this custom in north, but definitely there are some sayings that would not allow the husband and wife to come closer until a few months or years. Here we need to understand that sex is not just for childbirth, it is for pleasure, it is for happiness and good bond between husband and wife. So in this video I will talk about safe time to have sex after delivery, precautions you need to take, tips on rebuilding intimacy, and how to make yourself and your partner comfortable with it. So do watch the video till the end, and if you are watching the video on my channel for the first time, please consider subscribing because there will be loads of useful videos for you and your family here. When are you ready to have sex again? Health professionals say there is no set time to start your sex life again after delivery, but they recommend waiting until 6 months in any form of delivery you had. If it was a vaginal delivery, your vagina is still healing from being stretched or tear. And if it was C-section, it is healing from the incision. And in both the cases, you need to wait until your bleeding stops, and this is to avoid vaginal infection. After this, anytime you feel comfortable physically and mentally, your sex life can start. Let's talk about the challenges you may face. At first, lesser interest. It is very common for the new parents to be physically and mentally stressed out, and definitely this would be the last thing they want to do, in the initial days at least. And second thing is physical discomfort. Your new body can make you uncomfortable. You may think it's huge, it's loose, the soreness and many other things. Vaginal dryness, due to low level of or zero level estrogen post delivery, you can sense dryness and pain while you have sex, and lubricants can be really helpful at this time. Fear of there is so much postpartum trauma that you undergo, and talk about protection with your partner, talk about all the problems you have, the pain or anything, and this can be helpful. And rush is the last thing you do for your partner's feelings or for your fear of missing out. You do not have to force yourself into it. Let's now talk about tips to rebuild intimacy, the most important part of this video. Keep the lines of communication open. Talk about the new happiness, joy, the pain, the discomfort, if she's feeling shy. It's important. Share the chores or baby responsibilities. Spend more time with each other. Start with simple physical affection like kissing, holding hands, cuddling, foreplay, etc. And take care of your health first. Eat well, sleep well, exercise a minimum amount of exercise is also needed at this time. Few wise words I have for women. Remember that you underwent a pregnancy, your body inflated like a balloon and now it's deflated. Even on a balloon you can see it does not hold the same shape back. So if you want to get fit, exercise, take care of yourself, rest well, and do not expect to be the 100% what you were before. It cannot happen. Motherhood changes us completely, physically and mentally, both. So there is nobody on earth, let me tell this to you, until you have a surgery, nobody can get back to the same shape. And even if you do not come into shape, love yourself, accept yourself first before somebody else wants to do that. And to be in shape, to be fit is not necessary to have sex. And sex can give you a happy break from your mundane life of taking care of baby, breastfeeding baby. Yes, it is nice, it is joyful, but this is for you. If you can enjoy it, why not do it? And talk to your doctor if you feel that intolerable pain post-sex or during the sex, and if the bleeding which had to be stopped prior, which had stopped, restarts. And few words for men I have is, she's not just your wife now, she is mother of your child, she has gone through so much, so learn to respect. I wouldn't say accept her, you don't have to, you need to just understand and respect what she's gone through, and you will have to give all the love possible, all the care needed, support her, share her work, and I mean, just assure her she's the same beloved wife of yours which she was, she will be forever. And I also want to bring this topic here, that the fear is not just in women who's been through delivery, it is also in men who would love their wife wholeheartedly. Now you would fear that what if I do some nasty thing and it hurts her. I mean, it's a normal thing, but at this time you are fearing if you can, any step of yours can hurt her, and many of them hesitate to even touch or talk or eye-to-eye contact. I have heard this happen. It is not just that women feel it or men feel it, it is common to both, and talking can really help. Maybe your partner has the urge, and without knowing, you are giving her a fear that maybe my husband is not coming closer to me because I have changed, because my body is not the same. Why think all that and bring that in your relationship? Please talk it out. If you have the urge, ask her. If she has the urge, let her talk to you. There's nothing wrong. It is two-sided, and accept that. The better, faster we accept, the happier we'll be. And at the end, I would like to say, every husband and wife go through this phase. Every couple post-delivery undergo this, and some people may need lesser time and some may need more time to get back. So start with simple steps, one at a time. As I told, simple physical affection. And whenever you feel that even after a very long time your partner is not got comfortable, there is a fear in her, she has no desire, he is not accepting me anymore, this is not going to happen, and it is affecting your relationship altogether, then it is best to talk to a counselor. Specialist advice is always helpful. You need that, and there is nothing wrong. It is again a taboo to not talk to counselor, but trust me, it can help. So I really hope that you like this video. Please consider subscribing to this channel. Let me know how I did on this topic, and I try to keep it as simple and as helpful as possible. So a few words of yours can really motivate me to make such videos in future. And for new parents, especially postpartum hair loss, I have a topic of video being made on. Please do check that. Postpartum periods, when you will have it, and precautions if any needed, all that you can see in this video. So I will link both the video in the description box. Do check them, and I'll see you soon in yet another video. Take care of yourself till then. Bye bye.